Thank you, ma'am.
Now, dear children, I know almost everybody is thorough with the multiplication tables, but when I ask from in between, like 9 twos are, 3 fives are, some of you have difficulty to say answer. So for that, I'll give you a small tip. Okay, are you all ready to listen? So first, what we have to do is, we have to study the pattern that multiples first, multiples of the table. Like, for example, table of 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Like that. That answers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That answers you have to study first. Okay, that pattern you have to study first. If you study the pattern, not only pattern of 2, multiples of 2, for all other tables, if you study that pattern, it will be easy for you to study the tables. Who can say that pattern properly up to 20? Yes, Vedika. Unmute and say. Unmute. Sorry? 2,
4, 8, 10, 12.
2, 4. After that?
2, 4, 8.
No. 2, 4, 6. Okay.
2, 4, 6. 8, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18, 20.
20. That even numbers. Here all the even numbers. First 10 even numbers you want to remember. Okay. Now who else is ready? Yes, Joanne. Okay, unmute. Yes.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay. Now who else? Who else? Wait here. Okay. Shringa. Yes, unmute. Shringa. Where is our Shringa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Good. Correct. Aditya.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
No. 14. After 14?
16.
16.
18.
18.
20.
20. Okay. Next. Other. Okay. Other. Unmute.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14.
After 10?
12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Good. Hannah. Yes.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay. Good. Yuvan. Unmute.
2, 6, 8, 10, 12,
2, 4,
6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
20. Okay. Joyeric. Yes. Unmute.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay. Now, Anne, please unmute. Unmute here. Unmute. Okay.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay. Very good. Catherine.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
20. Okay. Now, correct. Hazel, please unmute. Please unmute, Hazel. Your video also is off.
Ma'am.
Will you say multiples of 2?
2,
4,
8.
2, 4. After that, 6.
8. 14.
No. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
10, 12. 14.
Then 16.
16, 19, 20.
No. After 16, 18.
18, 20.
20. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I say one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, in multiplication table of 2, from 1 to 5, there is one order and we are repeating the order. From
They are
6
even
to...
numbers. I didn't understand what you are saying. 1 to 5, one order.
Ma'am, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4 into 2 is equal to 8.
What is the special?
5 into 2 is equal to 10. And we are continuing. First we got 2. Then here we will in 2 into 6 we will also got 12.
Okay. That first 1, 2. From the table 1, 2.
Yes.
Then 14, 1, 4. Okay. That also. But when I ask in between, it will be difficult for you to write like this and check. Isn't it? If you are writing, simply writing table, it is okay. Good idea. But when I ask in between, it's not easy to write like this and say answer. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ain. Where is our Ain? Ain Maria. Yes, Adira, I saw your hand. Let Ain unmute and recite the pattern. Multiples of 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20.
After 14? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
20. Okay. Now, Adidanta. Unmute. Oh. Can you hear me, dear? Adidanta? She has some network. Her audio is not proper. Okay. Now, dear children, I know many of you knows. Yes, Ameya, Adira, I can see your hands. Wait, I'll give you a chance. Let me ask one thing. Now, if you are thorough with this multiples, if I ask 3 from table of 2, I am asking 3 into 2 or 3 2s are. If you don't know by heart also, 3 into 2, no? So third multiple of 2. Take 3 fingers. 2, 4, 6. 3 2s are 6. Clear? Now it is, if it is 5 2s are, take 5 fingers. 5 into 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 2s are 10. Now, 7 2s are. Take 7 fingers. 7 into 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 2s are 14. Is it easy? Is this method is easy? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Table of 2.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know almost all of you know table of 2. But when table of 9 comes, you study patterns like this. And if I ask 2 9s are 2 into 9. So take 2 fingers. 9.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15,
Okay.
18,
So
20.
today onwards, we are going to study this multiples of each number. That means today we will I will give you as a homework. You have to learn multiples of 2, multiples of 5, and multiples of okay, multiples of
Ma'am, multiples of 2, 5 and
10. I'll give you today. You have to by heart it, and next day I will ask questions. Okay, to by heart, you should say in a stretch. Adira,
10 table is very easy.
now where is our Adira? Please raise your hands. I can't see you, dear. Ah, yes. Adira, will you give multiples of, will you say multiples of 5? Multiples
Yes,
of 5,
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Very good. Dear children, multiples means when we multiply a number by another number, what we get, that is a multiple. Here multiple of 5 I asked. Then when we multiply 5 by another number, what we get, that is the multiple of 5. Here we want first 10 multiples. Okay. Now, Achyut, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you give multiples of 10?
Yes, ma'am. 10,
Yes.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yes. So, if you know the multiples like this, if I ask 3 tens are, here 10's table is very easy. Still, 3 tens are 3.
30.
Third, 10, 20, 30. 3 tens are
30.
Okay, we can study like that. Everybody, open your maths notebook and write multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Only first 10 multiples we are writing because we only want to study table up to that. Now, later we can study more. Multiples of 10, 10, wait, dear children. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 40, 30, 35. Have you all written, dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is there to complete?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everybody has written. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, dear children, have you all completed our 6.1 workbook 6.1?
Yes.
Question number 22. All of you take your workbook. All of you take your workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 59 we want. Page number 59.
12, 10, 12, 14,
No, 59. 59.
Ma'am, it is 59 only.
Now, dear children, have you all completed till question number 22, 6.1?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
If anybody is there to complete, please complete it today itself. Okay. And for the next class, learn the multiples of 2, 5, and 10 thoroughly. Okay. Now take page number 59. We can do few workbook problems.
Ma'am, I have a chance to tell the answer.
Okay. Ameya, please unmute. Ameya, please unmute. Her video also got struck. Ameya, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read first question. 6.2, first question.
Product of 90 and 3 is dash.
Yes, your voice is breaking, dear. The product of 90 and 3 is dash. Product means when you multiply, what answer you are getting, that is the product. So you have to multiply 90 and 3 and you have to find out the answer. So multiply and check what is the answer. TO 90 into 3. Multiply, everybody multiply and check.
I got the answer.
Yes, what is the answer you got?
Option C, 270.
What? For first question. Dear, 90 into 3.
Then-
First, which all digits you have multiplied?
9.
No. First, you have to multiply one's place digit. So, here, which are the ones place digit? Ameya? Ameya? Can you hear me, Ameya? Now, Hanna, please unmute. Yes. Which all digits I have to multiply first?
0 and 3.
Yes, 3 into 0 or 0 into 3. How much you will get?
0 itself.
0. You have to write it in the ones place. Next, which all digits you have to multiply?
9 into 3.
9 into 3. 9 3 is how much, dear? Check. Beside the table and check. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 2 9s are how much, dear? 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are how much, dear? Hanna?
Yes.
2 9s are?
Ma'am, I didn't study the table of 9.
Okay, we can study. You have to study that, okay?
Yes, ma'am, my mother is teaching one day 2 tables.
Okay. So 3 9s are 27. Okay. 3 9s are 27. In that 7, we will write in the tens place and 2 will be in the 100 place. So 270. So what is the answer?
270.
Yes, write in the blank 270. Okay. Now, Aditri, please unmute. Please unmute fast. Yes. Second question, what will be the answer? Can you hear me, dear?
Yes.
52 into 1 equal to dash. Second question. 52 into 1, what will be the answer? When we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number as answer. So 52 into 1, what we will get, dear? Aditri?
Ma'am.
Sorry?
Can I multiply?
Dear, 2 into 1, what you will get? 2 into 1?
2 itself.
Sorry?
2 itself.
2 itself. 10 into 1? Dear,
10.
when we 10 itself. When we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number. 32 into 1? Correct?
32.
32. Here 52 into 1?
52 itself.
Same number. When we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number. So 52 itself. Option D. All of you, please circle option D. I know, almost. Okay. Next question. Sweden, please unmute. Yes. Third question. The product of 20 and 4. That means you have to multiply 20 into 4.
80.
80. Here 4 into 0. You have to start multiplication at
0.
one's place. 4 into 0.
0.
0. Then next we have to multiply.
2 into 4.
2 into 4, what we'll get?
8.
8. So the answer is 80. Very good. So option D. Okay. Now Adidev MJ, please unmute. Fourth question.
Yes,
Product
ma'am.
of
Product of 302
and 1.
Product of 302 and 1.
Sorry? What is the answer? Product of 302 and 1. That means if you multiply 302 into 1, what will be the answer? Just now we discussed. What will be the answer? 302 into 1. When we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number. So here we multiplied 302 into 1. So what will be the answer? Dear, whatever may be the number, if we multiply by 1, we will get the same number. 1000 into 1, 1000. 2320 into 1 equal to 2320. So what will be the answer? Adidev? Adidev, MBs. Anybody? Many hands are. Okay, Adidev today, MB today didn't get chance. Adidev. Adidev,
Yes,
MB. She has some network issue. I
Three.
think.
302.
Yes, same number. You will get 302. Same number as answer. Okay. Now, next question. I need... Evelyn, please unmute. Evelyn? Evelyn, can you hear me? Unmute here. Try to okay. Now, the product of 202 is dash. 202. For the time being, we can do like this. Afterwards, I'll give you an easy tip. 200 into 2. From where we have to start multiplication?
From ones.
Ones place. So which all digits we have to multiply?
What you said now?
Which all digits we have to multiply? Which place digits you have to multiply?
Ones.
Here 0 into 2. Here ones place 0. So 0 into 2. What we will get?
0 itself.
0 into 2?
Itself.
0. Again 0 into 2? 0 into 2?
0.
Sorry?
0.
0.
0.
2 2s are?
2 2s are 4.
4. So which option? Option?
400.
A 400.
A 400.
Now, question number 6. Like this you have to do. Now itself, you have to find the product of 111 and 2. That means you have to multiply 111 and 2 and find out the answer. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Oh, time is up. I'll send the
Okay.
file. Very easy. That's sixth question is very easy. I'll send through WhatsApp the answers. And don't forget to study the multiplication, that tables, multiples for next class. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day. Bye.
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 Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.